So this quote, "If you want to take the island, burn the boats," comes from a true story of war when the leader of a platoon told his troops, "We are going to take this island, burn the boats. We either win or we die." And guess what? They won. That's how I feel. I feel that I have no option other than to win this war on wealth. And I fight the battles every day. And the battle is within myself. Every single day, I do the things that most people are unwilling to do so that later I can live the way that most people are unable to. You see, I heard this quote from Dave Ramsey a couple years ago when I was living in Columbia, South Carolina. I started listening to podcasts all the time because I need that type of fuel, and I need to hear people who have made it. I need to hear about the people who were once slaves, like myself, a slave to money, and they were in poverty's prison, and I need to hear how they made it out. You see, I need hope. Every day I need hope. So I heard this from Dave Ramsey, and I was like, the thing is, like Jim Rohn and my grandmother always said, if you want to do something, you'll find the way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse, And so it's like a lot of people have excuses. Well, I can't do this, I can't do that for this reason or that reason, but I don't have a choice. I have come too far. I feel like right now, I'm on the 1 yard line, and it's like, I'm not stopping now. I'm about to get this touchdown, y'all. You know what I mean? And the thing is, like I said, a lot of people have their options. They got their home, they got their boyfriend, they live with their boyfriend or whatever. All these options, they got all this stuff to take care of, like their home, their things, mostly things. They got this job that they hate. And because these people have options, I don't have options. Honestly, I burned a lot of boats, because I don't want those. I don't want to work it. I'm hating it because I don't believe in letting another person get themselves beat up by a man or a woman and watching it happen and doing nothing about it. I don't believe in that. I don't support that. It's just not right, and I won't stand and watch it. I won't stand idly by. I'll do something about it, So it's like there's a lot of things you can't do at a job. I hate jobs. Who wants a job? It sounds like it's terrible. It sounds like suffering. That is the sound of suffering. To me, a job, no thanks. I want to do what God wants me to do. And a lot of people have put me down and criticized me, but they don't know where I'm going. I do know where I'm going. And that's why I burn the boats. One of the biggest challenges for me has been communicating in a way that's not only effective and gets my needs met, but at the same time, it is not harmful to the other person. And oftentimes, not only is it not harmful, I should say it lifts the person up most of the time. That's what I do. And this has been the biggest struggle of my life. So this is one of the biggest battles that I'm conquering. I should say the biggest battles that I've conquered so far, because as far as I can see it, I'm done with that battle. That is done. I don't have any problem speaking to people. I am a wealthy woman because I know what's most important, and that's people. So Jim Rohn said, if you work hard on your job, you can make a living. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. And I am making a fortune. You know why? Because my name is Liberty V. Justice. I'm the best wife ever. I'm here to show you that puedes hacer lo que tú quieres. You can do anything you want to do. Porque tienes infinito en valor. You are infinite in value, my friends. You can do anything. Anything. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That's Philippians 4:13. So I just want to let you know that if you take away your options and you make this your only option, whatever it is that you want to do, you will succeed. If you want to take the islands, burn the boats.